Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to create Instagram posts using ChatGPT with Canva AI. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any steps in this tutorial. So first, open your browser and then go to Canva website and make sure to log in with your account. You just need to click on the Create a Design button. And from here, because we're going to create an Instagram post, going to select this Instagram post square from here, which has 1080 by 1080p. Now it will open the new page here, as you can see. Now here, we should need to choose a design template right from here at the left side of your screen. So we're going to select your desired design for this Instagram post. Now, once you've selected your design template, as you can see from here, okay, so this is the sample template or background that we're going to use. Now, let's add a new tab here to open up the ChatGPT website. So as you can see right from here, and then we're going to here on the message box and type, give me 100 motivational, or let's say motivational / inspirational / life / love quotes that are not from others, right? And then after that, click enter on your keyboard. And here it will now generate the codes. Okay, so as you can see right here, after it generated the codes, so what you're going to do here is basically copy all the codes right from here. So copy all the results, right click, and then click on the copy, and then go back to your Canva. Now what you're going to do here is go to the left bar of your screen and click on apps. Now here on apps, what we're going to do here is go to the search box right there at the top and basically search for bulk. All right. Once you type on bulk, click on enter. And we have to wait for a few seconds here. And then you have to select the bulk create app. So once you select on that one, you'll find these options here. So basically, you can add your data. You can upload this as a CSV file, but you need to click on enter data manually. Okay, here you just need to click on clear table at the bottom left of your screen. Now you just need to paste all the data that we copied from ChatGPT. And once done, let's name this as codes right there at the top or new codes. All right. Once done here, you just need to click on the done button right there at the bottom right. So once you click on done, here on the Canva, you need to delete the unnecessary text and select the text where you want to put in all the codes. So, all right, so right click on this one, and then you're going to click on connect data and then select the codes. All right. Now from here, just need to click on the continue button and then click on generate 100 designs. So once you click this generate, so it will now generate all the text from ChatGPT. So as you can see right from here, we have just generated or uploaded all the text. Now, as you can see, all of the posts here has the same background. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to change some few here. So go to element section right there at the left side of your screen above the text section. So here elements, you can just type here, for example, aesthetic design background or background design, and then go to photos. And you just have to select any of the design here. So depending on your preference. So scroll down and find the available background. So for example, here you can drag and drop or you can right click and then click layer, then send to box. So right there. So you can basically customize or edit your codes. So yeah, that's how you can simply change the background of your Instagram post. So that's it. That's how you basically create Instagram post using ChatGPT with Canva AI. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.